Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by working on 80–90% dry, detangled hair so the product grips without weighing strands. Once your hair is ready, shake the Simco Swift for 5–10 seconds to ensure even distribution of active ingredients. This prevents uneven hold. Make sure to hold the can 8–12 inches from your head, then test on your wrist to confirm spray pattern. Apply in short 1–2 second bursts while moving the can. This gives an even initial layer without buildup. Once you have a light base, focus on building structure. Aim short bursts at roots for lift and mid-lengths for texture so hair holds shape without stiffness. After each light coat, use your fingers or a wide-tooth comb to shape and position hair while the spray remains tacky rather than fully dry. This yields natural movement. Make sure to layer no more than 1–3 light coats, waiting roughly 10–20 seconds between each application to avoid clumping and to let solvent evaporate. You finish by sealing the style. Hold the can about 12 inches away and apply a fine mist for flexible hold and shine. Once done, assess texture. If hair feels too stiff, run your palms through or apply a very light second mist from farther back to soften. If you see flaking later, lightly brush to remove loose particles, then mist from 6–8 inches to rebind the hairspray film. This restores cohesion without adding heavy residue or dampness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.